Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the first day of October in 2024, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.72. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 3.34%. This equates to an average return of 1.67% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a significantly wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, which may signal an early trend shift. Following this reaction, support is expected at the threshold of the current trend that has been broken, specifically at $29.18. This level may provide a second opportunity for upward movement. According to fan theory, the next potential peak is projected to be at $49.02, which could present a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of nearly 48% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from approximately -86% to -57%. In terms of the 12-month trend, a change of about 51% is anticipated over the coming year, with potential returns between 19% and 221%. This would translate to a price range from $41.82 to $112.32 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for SOXL. The SOXL ETF price increased by 3.34% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, rising from $33.83 to $34.96. During this trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 8.72%, with a low of $33.16 and a high of $36.05. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 12.27% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 43 million shares, with a total of 80 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.79 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.01. Currently, the price is 50.11%, or $35.12, below the 52-week high, and 90.76%, or $343.28, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Recently, SOXL, the leveraged exchange-traded fund focusing on semiconductor stocks, has captured attention as it emerged among the most heavily traded exchange-traded funds in the third quarter of 2024. The ongoing rally in semiconductor stocks is bolstered by the demand fueled by artificial intelligence and data center investments, suggesting that a continuation of this trend could positively impact SOXL's short-term performance. Moreover, hedge funds are increasing their positions in technology stocks ahead of anticipated rate cuts, which could further energize the tech sector, including semiconductor investments. However, it is crucial to consider the volatility associated with SOXL, as it has historically been a high-risk gamble. Despite its potential for significant short-term gains, recent analyses indicate that SOXL has dropped substantially since its peak in June, raising concerns about its long-term viability. While some experts anticipate a potential year-end rally for semiconductor stocks, which could favor SOXL, caution is warranted due to its leveraged nature. Long-term investors need to be wary of the inherent risks, including daily rebalancing features and high holding costs that may hinder its performance over time. With the current technical indicators revealing a challenging landscape, future price movements could be tumultuous, reflecting the volatility of both the semiconductor sector and broader market conditions. The following signals have been identified for the SOXL exchange-traded fund. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased on the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign, indicating that the ETF should be monitored closely. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. The SOXL ETF currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $36.22 and $34.98. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A pivot top point generated a sell signal on Wednesday, August 21, 2024, and since then, the ETF has declined by 16.22%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that you may find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal from 30 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 119 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal from 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 41 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $32.16 and $29.34. There is an inherent risk when an ETF is approaching a support level, as breaching this level could result in a decline to the next support. In this case, SOXL's support is situated just below today's level at $32.16. If this support is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $29.34 and $27.89. This ETF may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $2.89 between its high and low, reflecting an 8.72% change. In the past week, the ETF has exhibited an average daily volatility of 9.29%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $35. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $32.16. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point anticipating a potential rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and a stop loss has not been established. Is the SOXL exchange-traded fund a good investment? The SOXL ETF shows several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this ETF. Upon examining the volatility and fluctuations from the previous trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of October, we project that SOXL will open lower, decreasing by approximately 23 cents, starting at $34.72. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.